The story of the missing Santiago Flight 513. In 1954, Santiago Flight 513, traveling from Brazil to Germany, mysteriously vanished over the Atlantic. The plane was never heard from again, with no wreckage or sign of the passengers. 35 years passed. In 1989, the missing plane unexpectedly landed at Porto Alegre Airport. Airport staff, in disbelief, approached the aircraft, and when they opened the doors, they were met with a horrifying sight. All passengers and crew had turned into skeletons. The plane had made a perfect landing, seemingly on autopilot. Where had Flight 513 gone, and how had it returned? This mystery remains one of the greatest unsolved enigmas, debated for years.